Hello friends, welcome to the JavaScript concept tutorial. In this tutorial, today we will learn about the two important JavaScript concepts. One is the function expression and another is the function declaration. These two concepts are the different ways of defining the function and have different advantages and can be used at different scenario. So we will learn about these two ways of defining the function in the JavaScript. So let us open the Scratchpad. Now here is the interface. So friends, today we will learn about function declaration and function expression. Here. So friends, this function declaration and function expression are two ways of defining the function. So let us first see the function declaration. So in the function declaration way of defining the function, we define the function like this. First of all, write the function keyword of the JavaScript, then function name. So you can give the function name of your choice. I am giving my phone. This way, write two curly braces. Now you can take one parameter also. I am taking name parameter and console.log this parameter. So this, if you define the function in this way, this is called function declaration way of defining the function. Now we have defined the function in this way, so try to call this function. Try to call this function. Pass some name here. Name passing button and hit run. You will have to open the console first to see the result. So here is, go to the console tab. Now clear this one, hit run. So we are getting the expected result button. We are calling this myFun function from here and defining later on, and we are getting the result. This is the function declaration way of defining the function and calling the function. Now write another function in another manner, that is in the function expression way of defining the function. Now see function expression. So here in case of function expression, the whole function is assigned to a variable. So in this way we can define a function like this. Name it. This is the variable name. Name it myFun2 and write the function keyword. Open the two small bracket into curly braces followed by two curly braces. Now take one parameter here also. Here what is happening, look at, we are taking a variable, simple variable where myFun2, and in this variable we are assigning whole function using equal to operator of the JavaScript. Whole function is assigned to this myFun2, but here in this case this is very different from here. So this is the function expression way of defining the function. So write here console.log console.log, write the parameter name. Now try to call this function. My fun 2. Pass some parameter, sorry. Johnson. Now try to call this function. First of all, comment it out so that you will have less confusion. Now here we are left with the function expression. Now clear the first. Now try to run it. See what you are getting. We are getting the error, exception. We are getting the exception here actually. My fun is not a function. We are getting the error. My fun is not a function. Display it here. So we are getting error. But earlier, when we were defining the function like this way, in the function declaration manner, starting with the function keyword, then function name, and then defining the function body of the function, we were getting the expected result. We were not getting the any error in this case. But when we assign a whole function to a variable, this is the expression, function expression we are defining the function, and we are calling it this function, but we are getting the error. We are not getting the result. So in the function expression, you cannot call a function before and define later on. You cannot call from here because we are calling from here but defining below, but we cannot get the result. This is the difference between function declaration and function expression. In this case, we are getting the result, expected result. We are calling from here and defining below, and we are getting the result. But in this case, we are not getting the result. So this is the difference between function declaration and function expression. So to get the result, you will have to call it after defining. So if you are defining function in the function here, then you should call from below the code or after the definition. So we are defining here, then we are calling. You cannot do like this, that you are defining later on and calling from here, or calling before and defining later on. So you have to call after the definition, then you will get the result. See what happens. Now see, we are getting the expected result. So this is the difference, friend, between the function declaration and the function expression. This is the main difference. So friend, I think you must have understand this concept, this difference. In the next lecture, we will learn about why we are able to call function declaration before defining. We are calling from here and defining later on. We are able to get the result. What is the reason behind it? And in this case, function expression, you need to define first, then you will be able to call the function. So this is the difference. I know, you know, but what is the reason behind this two concept? We will learn about this in the next lecture. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Watch this video more time so that you will get better clarity and practice on the Scratchpad. And welcome to the JavaScript learning journey, and we will meet in the next lecture. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.